And when you leave today, you are going to know what types of videos you're doing, when you're doing them, and you're going to have a strategy behind it.
I have a video strategy.
I'm a big believer in taking action, and we want you to take action after you leave this workshop. Video campaign with that one video, that humorous video with a serious subject, ended up doing more volume, more sales for that company than with Shark. After working with many clients, there are two areas that you need to look at as a business when you're using social media or all over the online marketing world. There's a creative side. You need to look at your creative, and you need to watch your data. So it's the creative and the data. I always tell clients it's an artist on one side, but it's also science on the other side, which are two completely different things. But you do need to pay attention. So if the data is not telling you the proper thing, you need to make a shift. And you have to be willing to make that shift. And in order to stay ahead of the competition, there's that creative side where you need to be the artist and you want to be authentic.
But the session today actually really clarified the steps that I should take.
I've known Janet for years. I know that she's a rock star, but she just went into the stratosphere with this presentation that she just shared.